Top 6 Best Cheap Welder. If you're looking for the best cheap welder, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Super Deal Black Commercial MIG Welder. Purchasing an off-brand welder can be a hit-or-miss experience. This little welder isn't going to blow you away with power or speed, but it still can get the job done as a MIG flux core welder. It runs as high as 130 amps, but the duty cycle is 10% at 105 amps. So it's tough to weld at full capacity with this welder. You're at 35% on 60 amps as well. So try to be a little patient with this machine. The wire stays live as well, even with the trigger not being pulled. So keep that in mind as well if you grab this machine. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld 298. The Forney Easy Weld 298 is our favorite cheap welder. This arc welding machine is TIG capable, providing extra options for you as you expand your skills. With a consistent 90 amp output, this is the perfect starter arc welder. It plugs into a standard 120V outlet, and at 14 pounds is super portable. Number 3. Weld Pro 200 amp inverter. The Weld Pro 200 machine is one of the most technologically advanced budget machines available, and it comes at a desirable low price. It excels in both its MIG and TIG functions and is known for being simple to learn on with its synergic feature. The welder's synergic core has preset internal parameters built into it, which determines the best range of settings for your particular welding. This takes all the difficulty out of balancing the amperage/voltage with the wire feed for MIG welding, and enables TIG settings to be selected with ease. All you need to do is turn it on, set minor basic adjustments if you need to, and weld. Even though it has a fair amount of capacity and variety, it's small and easy to transport when needed. Number 4. Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. Eight-foot arc done and work clamp. Holds 10-pound spools. Weighs only 19 pounds. Infinite adjustment on voltage and feed. Convenient 120-volt power. Although it isn't as well known as brands like Lincoln and Miller, Forney is a cheaper brand that has been building welders in the USA since the Great Depression. With the Easy Weld 140 FCI, Forney went with inverter technology and stayed with flux core welding without a gas MIG ability to keep the weight down to 19 pounds. Even though this budget MIG machine is so light, it still features a live fan for component cooling and sports a 30% duty cycle at 90 amps. That's better than the top 2 picks in this roundup. Number 5. SunGold Power 200 Amp MIG. It has a useful mix of simplicity and variety in setting adjustment, so you can use it easily while still having diversity to weld most projects. This machine is obviously recognized as a budget welder, unlike the Weld Pro 200 amp inverter. But we like how it runs and recommend it if you only need to MIG weld and want diversity in your welding range. Pros: medium quality, high amperage, many setting adjustments, short to medium warranty. Cons: short leads, poor instruction manual. Number 6. Forney Easy Weld 261. Starting out with the list, let's focus on something popular. Forney Easy Weld is perfect when someone's starting out with welding and wants an inexpensive tool. The FC in the name represents flux core welding. Thus, you don't need to carry a shielding gas with this product. Forney Easy Weld 261, 140 FCI MIG welder. Specifically speaking, this thing packs in .30 flux wire. Forney Easy Weld is the perfect machine for MIG welding in DIY projects and hobbyist escapades. I'd say the control panel is fairly detailed and easy to use, considering this thing is a budget-friendly device for beginners. Thanks for watching our reviews. You can find more details of these reviewed products in the description box, suitable for your needs. If you want to buy it now, just click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and get it delivered right to your doorstep. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you stay updated.